traded over and over and over, and every day I would look every single day. Like, let's say, okay, today's the 21st. I would go back all the way from November 1st and look at every single day on the 1 minute chart and see all the patterns. See, okay, I would go in here. Here, let me give you guys an example on this one. Okay, let's look at Apple for example. Okay, let's just say like right here, right? You have it. You don't know what's gonna happen on the next bars. So I mean, you just keep guessing on like if you're gonna go in the trade right here, you can see that it's bottoming and then it's coming down on the wedge from this top here. You can even draw your lines. I mean, you can find your bottom like that. So you can see that it's forming a downward wedge. So a break above that or a break below it with some volume on that, you know it's gonna go either way. So I mean, then as you go, you can see this huge pop. So once on the breakout here, or even at the 200, you know it's gonna take you for a good ride. So I mean, that's how I would do it every single day for every day, like about 2 3 months behind, and just look at it every single day. Look for patterns. Oh, actually, this is like a bull flag. You see the pull right here, and then you have your wedge. You can do it like that, or you can just do this one. This one will be better. I mean, it's just going over so many it's just going over them just every day. Just keep going over charts. Let's just say you want to get you never traded Goldman Sachs and you want to do Goldman Sachs. Oh man, this thing doesn't want to move. All right, and you never traded Goldman Sachs, so I mean, look over a month worth of charts for Goldman Sachs and just keep looking over and over until you start finding patterns, seeing wedges, seeing stuff form. I mean, after a while, you just start getting a feel for it, So I mean, that's pretty much how I look over the stocks. All right, next question that I have. Let's see here. How much time do you spend researching stocks to trade? Um, as far as research, I'll do research when I do swings, but other than that, I mean, if I'm just day trading, I'll just go just based on how it is. I'll look at yesterday's support and resistance levels, and I'll use that as if it breaks above this, go long. If it breaks under that, um, go short. I mean, that's basically how I look. And then intraday, I'll just use my moving averages. Hold on, give me a second. Alright guys, sorry about that. Alright, so the question was, how much time do you spend researching stocks to trade? Um, yeah, like I said, I really don't do that much research unless I'm going into some swings. If it's just day trades, like I said, I do the support, the resistance, um, the high and the low from yesterday. That's pretty much it. Other than that, if I go into swing trades, I'll look at patterns that are forming, um, where the moving averages are. Pivots, like for example, this is Goldman Sachs 200s right here, came down. Looks like the 200 is gonna be some support. Um, Also, the once you see like a 20 and a 50 cross, that usually indicates that the stocks are gonna turn. So that's something else that I look for. Oh man, I messed that thing up. This one's good. It's a good little support resistance line right there, the red one. Pretty sure once it breaks back above this, it could go up probably to like right here. What is this? Like around 178, 179. Um, yeah, and then I have my stochastics. volume, RSI, and the MACD. Those are good indicators to use. All right. Let's see here. Next question. What platforms do I use? I use Ameritrade. Um, I've used Terra Nova, Thinkorswim, eSignal, TradeStation. I've used those. That's pretty much it for that question. Next question is who do I listen to when I watch TV? I really don't listen to anybody. The only time I listen to TV is if some news is coming out. Like today, I wasn't watching. Somebody told me that Obama was going to start talking about banks, and that's when I turned it on and I started watching it. Um, Other than that, Fast Money, I'll listen to like the first 20 minutes of it, and that's it. Jim Cramer, I don't listen to him. I used to listen to him a lot back when I first started, thinking like, oh man, this guy's gonna teach me so much, and it's just a bunch of crap. At least to me, it's just a bunch of crap. What is the number one? Let's see. What is the number one mistake that I have done? Not follow my stops. My stops. I mean, your stops. You gotta. I mean, that's the law. You go in. You set your stop losses. Don't break them. That should be the number one rule. Put your stop losses in and follow them. If you get stopped out, you get stopped out. Don't think like, oh no, it's gonna come back. It's gonna come back. No, man, you got stopped out. You got stopped out, and that's it. And just move on. Take a hit or take your gain, whatever it is. I mean, that's it. Just leave it alone. Um, let's see. I Yep, that's pretty much all the questions that I've got. If you guys have any more questions, just go ahead and email me WallStreetFatCats@yahoo.com. Hit me up on YouTube on a private message, or just leave a question on there on the whatever video you want me to answer. On Twitter, WSFatCats. Send me a direct message. Follow me. Um, Retweet some of my stuff, or just send me a message, and I'll just get back to you guys. Alright, guys. Other than that, is a heavy hitter for Wall Street Fat Cats.